It is the time to speak out now. It is the time to stand up now. In the veil of tears, of empty phrases, to peacefully see a future. It is time to end the masquerade. No more deception, no more lies. Away with the privileges of the fat cats. Say what you think, vomit freely. It is the time. It is the time to respect others and high time for renewal. It is the time to think freely now, without fear of spies. It is the time.